Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, today we will be learning about the sorting functionality in Excel and why we use the sorting functionality in Excel and how can we arrange the data using the sorting functionality and what are the types of sorting and how can we use these types, the text sorting, the number sorting and date sorting. So let's understand what sorting exactly means. So let's take this COVID data as an example. Now, if you observe here, this data is not arranged properly in the way we want. For example, if I take this states column, so this states column is not exactly arranged in ascending order from A to Z. So how can we sort this based upon our definition? Like from if I want to define this column and arrange it according from ascending order, how can I do it? So, um, so, so before going to that sorting feature, it is important to understand that we can only sort the data in Excel where we have uh, an amount of data that is filled in this. We cannot sort this data in the empty cells. We can only apply the sorting feature to this data only, not outside the cell, which is empty. So now let's sort this data and make it properly arranged. So before sorting, we have to select the entire row till here to sort these values and go to home ribbon, home page, and click on sort and filter, and then select filter option. So if you observe here, I have applied the filter option, and there is a small drop down which is applied to all the uh, rows in this data. So let's sort this states first. Now, if I want to sort this entire states from ascending to descending order, then this is how we can do it. So now I'm doing the text sorting, which is basically sorting it from A to Z or Z to A. So let's take a look and see how we can do that. So click on this drop down and we will get these options here. Now, if I want to sort this data from A to Z, then click sort to A to Z, and uh, you see the change. The data has been arranged from A to Z. So right from uh, previously we had Kerala as our first option, but now since I've sorted it from A to Z, the data has been arranged accordingly from capital A, B, C, and till Z. So that's how you can do the text formatting in Excel using this A to Z option sorting. Now, if I want to do it from Z to A, then so now the data has changed accordingly from Z to A. So now the A remains A alphabet goes down, and the last one, the W alphabet, goes up. So that is about doing text sorting in Excel. So now let's take the another option. This is number sorting. So in number sorting, we have two types: largest to smallest and smallest to largest. Now let's take this as an example, age bracket as an example, and understand how this works. Now, if I want to sort this from smallest to largest, and then the Excel has given me the arranged the values from smallest to largest age groups. So this is how you can sort it from smallest to largest. And now if I want to sort it from largest to smallest, and again I get the same, I get the values from largest age groups to smallest age groups. So that's how you can use this sorting options. So one thing which you need to understand while doing the sorting option is uh, we can only sort one column at a time. We can't sort two or three columns simultaneously. Either you have to sort this column or this column or this column. So if you observe here, if I sort this column, the entire row values get changed automatically. So that is very important while starting the sorting thing in a while sorting the data in Excel. So if you observe this data also gets changes if I change this sorting option from smallest to largest. So that is very important in Excel. So you can only sort one column at a time, or you can arrange one column at a time using this sorting. So that's about the number sorting. Now let's take a look at the date sorting. Let's take this as an example, date announced. Now let's sort this date from oldest to newest. So if you observe here, the entire data has been arranged from the oldest to newest. So in the same manner, if I click on newest to oldest, so the new date will be appearing first and the old date will be appearing in the down. So that's how you can do the date sorting as well. And if you keenly observe here, so, so this so here if you observe here, there is a down arrow which indicates that this column has been sorted. So if you observe the rest of the columns, there is no arrow here because we have only applied the sorting option only to this B column. So that defines, this arrow defines that the sorting has been applied to this B column. So that is one thing which we need to notice while doing the sorting option. Now you may now like how can I revert back these changes to where it was previously? So if I hit Control Z, only this data will be reverted. But what if I want to revert the whole data in one uh, in one shot? So the easy way to undo the entire data is by having an index column. So this is nothing but an index column. So if I want to revert back the entire data how it was previously, then the only thing and the easiest way is to use this index column and sort it from smallest to largest. And now we got the entire data back like how it was previously. Now we got the entire data. So, so this is the original data, and this is the sorted data which we did previously. So if you want to revert it back, just click on this and sort it from smallest to largest, and the entire data will be reverted to its original order. So that is how you can apply these sorting options in Excel. I hope you have understand the sorting techniques. If you have any questions or queries, please comment below in the video. I will get back and reply to you. Thank you for watching.